just wanted to give this year as much of a send-off as we could. You all remember bringing them into nursery with Mrs. Jones? First days, toddling in there. And so from all their teachers, we've been really privileged and proud just inputting into this long line of super boys and girls.
Was everyone is needed and important. We all have a role and a part to play in life.